Hey, Wagwan. You know say this is Sunday, part 5, 15 and pregnant. Yeah, we are trying to get it out by 11 o'clock. Right? In the morning. So stay tuned. But this is one touch it. Because I want a long movie. And a whole heap of things are going. Babe madness. So, surprise. We have a surprise here Candy go on with. And Candy and whole heap of things go on. Kayla, whole heap of things go on. And different baby mother, whole heap of JAMMA. Alright, part 5. Let's go. Look out for it. Sunday.
Dirty girl. And the other day I want to see you. Look here. I want this a big belly girl, man. Come on, let's set up on me. I will take my belly and bounce you over. All my ears see you breathe from my man. Yes. Oh, put me in that belly there. Bob. Push Bob. Baby girl. You better go find breed because I'm a my man breed. I guarantee you I'm a my man breed, you know. Mama. So I tell you that. I your man alone a touch it cuckoo. Me man no breed your girl. So who breed me? An unwanted baby that you know. And that they unwanted baby. No. That me know my baby father. You know how you breed? And I see what I me breed, girl. Me tell you that. You know how me breed. And a my man breed you. Then who?
Come on. Instead of you breed up all a young girl, let me know. You need to grab one of them business right town. Get peace of it. Miss Jade. One nice shiny girl there, but I get her and breed her too. Oh yeah, breed her one day. That one could have give you business. You could have get into the business world. I don't want you to get there and farm fool, you know. You see a nice street and I know you for a long time. You could get them and fight over you. But I tell you, you need to make some money and build business. If everyone I girl in a breeder can give them a little business, that would make sense.
There.
How do you feel for yourself?
You say pregnancy, man. You just give me a warm time.
You did that. So where the point?
It's a blessing today are still alive and well. But may I tell you, it's a sad story in many regards. But anyway, whether you go through it.
But when me talk twice, so I come and big place she live.
So differently do your own business?
You know, so I don't want a business. So.
Let me say now do nothing difficult. I couldn't do what you do, you know. Since I've been doing this drive, you know. The amount of girl a chat and we shot, you know, I couldn't text up on them and pop off. You know? And when I pop off, you know, so pick me go drop off. But I don't do that. Because remember set the place I know free, you know.
Mira esta girl this here. Walk up. Give your phone, baby.
See, you ready now?
I'm ready.
Green bush. Okay.
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm inside.
Yeah,
and what you do with that? Where are the Riri that was a Riri belly head? Who breed Riri? How come Riri pregnant?
The one that said she's 7 months pregnant. Because at one time I got bed with her. And I don't see her for about 9 months now. So she said she's 7 months pregnant. I'm going to check her and see if I might be because she has spread rumors here for me.
But the baby in a belly cell, that means a belly big then.
Yeah, good.
So how you go look for her and know if I feel a pitney? You go test her?
Well, if I that I case.
You don't know how you go know if I feel a pitney though, boy. You have to wait till the pitney born. But you must take care of pitney them.
I know when we call me by phone and tell me say.
See one big work you go on, you know. But you'd have to be a Chinese if you get a work over there. See there? Be a Chinese. Take a good look. Be a Chinese. Yeah man. If you are not Chinese, you can't get a work over there.
Come on, know yourself. You want to say me want piece of money, you know. Me I go in our town go deal with some things, man. Don't worry about that. I go get for your money, man.
You know one boy named Bob? You don't know Bob? Don't worry yourself, man. Because you know one of them. But that boy then time I hold him in trouble. You go and do your thing. Because I hustle like a you know. I'm going to charter, you see it?
Yeah.
Anywhere you want to go. You link me. You hustle the money that I say can pay the charter fee.
Yeah.
Alright? That's a word. Anyway, you hear about that boy that do, I know. Because the boy just dropped me a while ago, I look for. But that's a word. Alright?
Let's
Continue hustling, alright?
Yeah, man.